Hi friends, this is Miss Jones and I wanted to show you all how to make a copy of a passage so that you can have your own page and fill in your own information. So what we have is the assignment for today, Emma's Mix-Up. What you're going to do is you cannot just start typing in the text box. You're going to have to go over here to File, click File, and then you're going to click Make a Copy. Click the selected slides and you're going to put your name so I'll know that this is yours, and then you're going to click OK. So now I have my own personal copy. Over here I see Jones, and I'm going to be able to start my activity and fill in the information. Thank you, and have fun with these new Google tools that I'm finding.